Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you DoorDash promo codes, the best discount codes that you can find for DoorDash. In order to do this, you first need to open your web browser and here in the search bar, you need to search for DoorDash promo codes. Once done, you will be able to see the first website that would be from DoorDash.com where you can avail the currently working DoorDash promo codes and offers officially from the DoorDash website. So once you click on it, it will show you all of the coupon codes that are currently working. But if you are not able to find any of the promo codes on this website, then what you can do is you can simply go back and click on this link from couponfollow.com. So on couponfollow.com, you can get various types of DoorDash promo codes, like you can get 50% off, 5% off, $5 off, 10% off, etc. coupon codes. So you just have to select that coupon code in which you are interested. Let's say I want to avail this 50% coupon code, so I simply click on this coupon code right next to it. So as you can see that they have given me this coupon code which I can redeem on DoorDash. So in order to redeem it, you just have to simply click on redeem at DoorDash, and what this will do is it will redirect you on the official website of DoorDash. Over here, if you already have an account on DoorDash, then you simply need to log in into your account. But if you don't have it, then you just have to simply create your account on it. After that, you just have to add the items or the meal that you want to eat or order from DoorDash. Now on the checkout page, you just have to simply use this promo code that we have just copied from couponfollow.com, and then you just have to simply conclude your payment. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more this type of promo codes related videos. Thank you so much for watching.